Hello, this is Mrs. Mulholland from Mount Holly Springs Elementary, and I will be your fourth grade teacher this year. I'm super excited to work with your family and to get back into school and do the learning we need to do. It's going to look a little different, but that's okay. We will get through this together. So we're going to go through a few things that may be helpful to you for this year. First of all, again, welcome. Let me tell you about myself. I have two wonderful daughters who are both in education. My oldest daughter is an assistant principal at West Shore Middle School and also is getting married this year, so that's very exciting. My youngest daughter teaches music in New York City. I've been teaching for over 25 years. It's been a long time. I love to teach. I was heartbroken in the spring when we couldn't be together. I have a bachelor's degree from Slippery Rock University and a master's degree from Shippensburg University. I've taught 5th grade, 4th grade, students with learning disabilities, and served as a literacy coach in the school district. To get a hold of me, you can email me, and please notice it's MULHOLLJ, not my full last name, at carlisleschools.org. You can put notes in the bag with the iPad. We'll talk about that in a second. You can call me, but please beware during the school day, the phone calls won't actually come through to me in my classroom, so you will have to either leave a message or let Mrs. Redmond know and leave a message with her. You can get contact through Class Dojo, Seesaw, and I'm available from 8:30 to 9:10 to help with any difficulties with online activities or any connecting with families that needs to be done. The schedule when we're in school, you can see right here, they start at 9:10 when they arrive and the dismissal ends at 3:30. You can see over here the Tier 2, Group A, which will come to school on Tuesday, is here Monday, Tuesday. Group B, Thursday, Friday, Wednesday, everybody is online. Socials and Science will begin then. And our special, we have the same special for 30 days, and we are going to start by having PE, so make sure you have your sneakers with you. Our school-wide behavior plan, if you've not been with us before, we are using the Mount Holly Cares again because we communicate, we accomplish expectations, we show respect, we show empathy, and safety. Students will be moving up and down this chart dependent upon their behavior to earn points on Dojo, to earn rewards, and parents can also connect on Dojo to see where their child is. Our online learning, we're going to be using Seesaw as our main platform, and the rest of these apps will also support what we're doing. All of them will be downloaded. You will get passwords sent home. You will get an email this week from me to get access to Seesaw to see your child's work and comment and receive more information. Please remember this is not like the spring. So we are going to trimester, so there will be 3 marking periods instead of 4, and report cards are going to be based upon their work in school and online. So it's not going to be whether they were engaged, it's whether they have mastered, whether they are working towards it, they are progressing, or they need some intensive work to do so. Again, if students are sick, please stay home. But be aware that your students are online. Their attendance is determined by their completion of the learning assignments. If it's a problem for them to do them at a certain time, just contact me and we will work through that. Please don't forget, this is a very different year, and we're going to work through it together. And if you have any questions, just ask me. I'll be happy to answer you or find the answer, and I will do my best to make sure you know of any changes that I know of. Your students should bring a water bottle to school. They will not have access to drinking fountains, but they can fill water bottles. If that's a problem, let me know. We will work on that together. Our lunch is late. Students can bring a snack that they can have during math, but the snack cannot be shared. There's only one choice for breakfast and lunch. The iPad must go home and come back to school in the bag provided, and the charger may remain at home. It'll be a big white bag. Any important papers will also be put into that bag for you. And we'll start the year again with 30 days of PE. Please remember your sneakers. And if you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I will continue to send you information through email. I'm excited. I hope you are too.